The number one reason to use speed ropes is to increase your athleticism.
Every athlete dreams of a second chance.
Everyone should want to be a little more athletic. It improves their health, it increases their stamina and endurance, it enhances your flexibility and coordination, and it also reduces the risk of chronic diseases.
You also enhance your proprioception and spatial awareness with speed rope exercise.
Wow, that is impressive.
Being more athletic can boost your self-confidence and help you in your overall life, not just sports. Speed ropes can take your fitness to new heights and really unlock your athletic potential.
There's so much potential.
So whether you want to do everyday activities or you're trying to compete in any type of sport, speed ropes are right for you.
But wait, there's more.
By adding speed rope training to your fitness routine, you'll improve your agility, coordination, and athletic performance.
Isn't it a run faster and jump higher?
Using a speed rope involves rapid dynamic movements, which engage your legs, core, arms, and shoulders, fostering total body strength and coordination.
Some tricks are just easier with speed ropes.
Speed ropes are lightweight, so they're easy to control and maneuver when you're doing tricks.
I have to take more control.
With a speed rope, you can improve your agility and responsiveness. This allows you to do more intricate tricks and master new skills.
With speed ropes, you can master double unders, crossovers, and more advanced moves, empowering you to unleash your creativity and elevate your jump rope game.
That is an ongoing, relentless effort in creativity.
The jump ropes that I prefer is the Cross Rope Speed Performance Set, and here's why.
Designed for high-performance jump rope training, the Speed Performance Sets provides a complete jump rope training system. The kit includes limited edition handles as well as speed ropes in 3 weights: 3 ounce, 6 ounce, and 9 ounce. With these ropes, you can get faster, perform double unders easier, and improve your overall jump rope performance. With several sizes to choose from, you can find the one that fits your height. These are the smoothest speed ropes that I have ever used. You can find the link to these ropes and the more items that are in this video down below, and you can get 15% off these ropes if you use the code MUSCLES15.
Weighted jump ropes and speed ropes offer a different type of workout for each tool. Speed ropes outshine weighted jump ropes in several key areas.
Ty, calm your jets. Let's compare goods first.
Due to their lightweight nature and faster rotations, speed ropes are ideal for high-intensity cardio workouts and advanced jump rope tricks. Since speed ropes encourage rapid movements and quick transitions, they are excellent for improving agility, footwork, and cardiovascular endurance. Speed ropes provide dynamic and engaging cardio workouts that are suitable for individuals of all fitness levels, while weighted jump ropes provide strength training and muscle engagement. So basically it's like this: if you want to get faster, get a speed rope. If you want to get stronger, get a weighted jump rope.
Despite all of the good that speed ropes offer, I don't recommend that beginners start off with a speed rope. I recommend you gradually work your way up to a speed rope, as it's hard to coordinate for those that haven't developed that kind of coordination just yet. Now, if you want to learn even more about weighted jump ropes, how to get started with them, and how to get that coordination to get that speed rope, check this video out right here. I'm sure to help you. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and as always, just start. Worry about being perfect later. Peace.